Hi guys, and welcome to the latest episode of Know Your Tech. So first of all, happy Diwali to you, to all your family, and may this Diwali bring the prosperity and the happiness in your life. This is the latest episode, and in this latest episode I am going to do the unboxing of Oppo Enco Buds, because they are the mid-range earphones, and now they are selling it at the range of 1500 rupees, which is a very good price for them. So I think so that these are the economical earphones, wireless earphones, which recently you can buy. In my initial findings, these headphones are performing really well. I will be back with the review of these earphones soon, so do wait for that review. And without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, let's start the unboxing of Oppo Enco Buds. Let's open the box and see what is inside this box. So it's a very cute box. Basically it's a small design of box, and it's very handy box. On the front it has been branded as a Oppo Enco. On the back side, see, they have written the product specifications. They have inputted the model number, they have inputted the MRP and all those things. Basically it is no use for us. In the downside of this box, they have mentioned some features which are 24 hours battery life, binaural Bluetooth transmission with the Bluetooth 5.2, low latency game mode. Then they have bass driven HD sound is there, intelligent call noise cancellation, and open up auto connection is there. So these are some features which Oppo has highlighted below. Without wasting much time, let's open this. So here is there is some gluey part over here, and let us see if we can break it into it. Yes, we are able to break it. Here in the box, in the front side, we will see nicely packed Oppo headphones. So let's take it out. Let's keep them aside for some time. Some air tips, and then this Oppo Enco Buds. So one more manual is there, Oppo Enco Buds. So that is the content of the box. They have not provided any cable in this, so let's keep these things aside. So let's peel it out. I'm peeling it out. Here we can see a nice shiny one. Wow, it's in the white and it is looking really amazing. It's really shiny. So this is a plastic part over here. On the front side you can see Oppo branding, and if we move to the rear side, we will see a USB-C port over there. If we move downside, we will see some safety regulations and some certifications from the Oppo. We have we have a LED indicator just below where the flaps open. So let us open this. Yeah, you can see that LED has blinked. So it is in the pairing mode right now. So let me take out these earphones. They are really nicey. You can see, really nicey one. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. See, they have made a cavity for the left and the right one, so it's not a problem for a single hand use. Let us open with the single hand and see if they open with the one hand. It's so beautiful. So basically, for me, like, it is not going to open. You would require, for me I will say, it will require your both the hands to open these headphones. So the hinge is good, hinge part is okay, it's okay. So let's check out the pairing of Oppo Enco Buds. To pair the Oppo Enco Buds, you need to open the flap just like this. If you are able to see right now, the green light is blinking, which means that the earphones are in the pairing mode. So let's connect it with the mobile and see how seamlessly they connect with the phone. So let's check this out. So let us open this device and see how is the Bluetooth connection of this device. So I am opening this device. It really becomes difficult to open with one hand sometimes. So yes, I have opened them. You can see the green light flashing over here, and it is into the pairing mode. So let us go into our device. Here we are into the device. We will go to the settings, and then I have opened the Bluetooth menu, and see it is detecting Oppo Enco Buds. Over here I will click over here and let us see how seamlessly it's connect. So you can see that it has been connected over here. Oppo Enco Buds has been connected, and that's it. That is how it goes in the iOS. So I have downloaded the Hey Melody app, but sometimes I am unable to connect with the Hey Melody app, so I use the default Bluetooth menu of the iPhone. So now let us start connecting it with the Android phone, and as you can see it is into the pairing mode. And now let us move on to this mobile screen. Here I am on my Android phone, it is a Nothing Phone 1, and let us go to the settings of this phone. In the settings we will go to the connected device. Here I am using a new device, so new Oppo Enco Buds, so I will go to the pair new device and let us see if it is able to search the device. Search has been completed now and I can see the Oppo Enco Buds, so let's click on it and connect it with my phone and let us do the pairing. So you can see Oppo Enco Buds have been connected with the Bluetooth and 100% battery. So if we go on to the settings, we can see HD AAC. LHDC is not supported, as you can see there is only audio HD audio AAC codec. LHDC is a higher codec, so the audio produced by LHDC is way more good than the HD AAC audio. So let us go to the Hey Melody app. So I'm going into the Hey Melody app and let us check that in the Hey Melody app is it able to find. Yeah, it is able to find Oppo, but in the iPhone it is unable to do so. So we are having the game mode option. We can see the battery percentages, case battery, firmware upgrade. So let us check for the upgrade, that if any upgrade is available. So no updates have been available. So no updates are available right now for us, and game mode is there. So basically, yeah, there is the earbud control. You can control single tap, left, double tap. I will be giving this in the detailed review of this phone. So that's it, and here we close this. So thank you for watching. I hope you would like this video, and do appreciate this video by hitting the like and the subscribe button. It really takes a lot of effort to make a video like this. The review is coming within a few weeks. So stay tuned for the channel and do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.